Want to make a super tasty sous vide side dish? Well, if you love sous videing vegetables, you're going to dig into this sous vide sweet corn side dish with cilantro sauce. That's right, I added in totally epic sauce to this dish to amp it up. And that's why I'm so happy and I'm dancing in my kitchen today. Well, anyways, hey, it's Jenna here from sipbitego, and I want to get right into how to make this sweet corn sous vide style recipe. Let's do it. So the first thing that you do is prepare the sous vide sweet corn for vacuum sealing. So you place them in a vacuum seal bag and space out the fresh sous vide corn. So it has a couple inches between it. As you can see, it's not that easy to do. Easier said than to do. But you add it into the bag with a little bit of salt and a pat of butter, about a tablespoon, and it all locks in there, and it's going to be buttering itself. So this is self-buttering sous vide sweet corn. So once it's all vacuum sealed, it's time to get it going into the sous vide bath. And just a quick note here that you should be preparing the sous vide sweet corn the same way that you would be preparing corn to be boiled. So you want to take it completely out of the husk thing. You want to shuck the corn before sous videing it. You want to remove those little strings. I like to just chop off the ends with a really sharp knife so it's easier to pop in the sous vide vacuum sealed bag. But you just want to do this little prep step, and sometimes it's easier to buy the already vacuum packaged corn, and you can buy that type of sweet corn, but make sure that you take it out of the original vacuum packed bag. You can't sous vide it in that. You really need to transfer it to a Ziploc bag, or more preferably, since there's a couple corns in there and they'll be moving around, get it into a vacuum sealed bag. All right, that's just my PSA for today. Let's get to sous videing sweet corn. So this is a really fast sous vide vegetable recipe. So the vacuum sealed corn with the butter and the salt and all of that goes into the sous vide bath at 182 degrees for only 30 minutes. So that's a really short temperature for sous vide sweet corn. 30 minutes is so fast. If you are sous videing frozen corn, you can add 30 minutes onto that. So this is a really easy and convenient way to meal prep sous vide cooking. So you'll see that you need to be weighing down that sous vide sweet corn. So this is a little issue that comes up with vegetables because they tend to float in the water. So using something just like my Instant Pot little rack that goes in my Instant Pot, I put it into this and it totally weighed down the corn. So as you can see afterwards, it's really fun to plate the sous vide corn. I'm going to show you what I did. I just want to show you how beautiful this corn looks. You want to make sure that you shock it in a bath. So here the sauce goes on, but let me show you how I made this sauce. Just a reminder, don't forget to subscribe to the sipbitego channel on YouTube to catch all my delicious sous vide recipes. I love making easy meals that taste like restaurant-style food. To say that everybody loves this delicious cilantro jalapeno sauce would be a complete understatement of the year. You definitely want to make this to go along with your sous vide sweet corn to make it a complete sous vide side dish. It's really a beautiful way to bring it all together, and you won't believe how delicious it is to add this into the mix for your little recipe repertoire. You can eat it all week. You can put it on sous vide pork chops, sous vide chicken dishes. You can put it on salads and use it as dressing. So all of those ingredients go into the blender and you just combine it, and that's literally it. There's cilantro, paprika, garlic powder, sour cream, and a jalapeno that's in there, but it's without the seeds, so it's not too spicy. So just move that into a container and serve it with your sous vide corn. All right, so let's get to plating this delicious sous vide corn dish. So on goes the sous vide corn on the cob, and then drizzles of the cilantro jalapeno ranch sauce, and then a sprinkling of about a tablespoon of diced red pepper. It's a nice like crunchy cold bite to go along with the warm corn. And then just add some cracked pepper and a little salt if you want it to the top. And that is an absolutely beautiful and delicious looking dish to me. I think everyone that you serve this to will be completely happy, but no worries if you just eat it all yourself. It is so good. And a couple things that I love to do with leftover sous vide sweet corn is to take it right off of the husk, or I always forget what they're called. Are these stalks? I don't really know. But you take you carefully chop it off and throw it on sous vide chicken salads. You can also add it to the top of soups. I have a really delicious zucchini soup recipe you have to check out, and it's really good with some of this sweet corn on top. Well, don't forget to subscribe to the sipbitego channel on YouTube. I have a ton of new sous vide recipes and restaurant-style meals coming your way. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers! Oh, and before I let you go, I just want to share with you this super delicious sous vide dinner idea I made recently with chicken. It is so delicious. Here's a sneak peek. This sous vide lemon chicken pasta is a complete meal. Learn how to meal prep sous vide chicken so you can use it from frozen or fresh, and put it together with spaghetti and a very light chicken piccata sous vide style sauce. It is really delicious and easy for any night of the week. Check out the recent video at sipbitego.com and on the sipbitego YouTube channel. Well, sadly the time has come, but you can go ahead and choose another recipe video to check out. Bye!